Hey everybody, it's Tony the Blacksmithing Gamer, here to bring you another project. This week, Immortal Unchained came out, and when I was looking through the weapons, I found the simple dagger. I really liked it, so here's how I made it. Let's get started. So this is the model I made. It took me about 3 or 4 hours to model the dagger up. Here's it being printed. In the top right, you'll see I'm printing actually two. Unfortunately, the video got cut off because I ran out of memory on the phone I was using to time lapse. And here's the pieces when they're all printed up. First thing I had to do was glue them all together. I used some super glue in this case. I was out of 2-part epoxy. Once they're all glued together, I gave them a light coat of primer. And to fill in some of the seams, cracks, I used some 2-part auto body filler. I wanted to fill in some of the extra low points in the 3D print as well, so I was going to town on the handle. And most of the sanding was done by hand on this piece. I started with 220 and then worked my way up to 1000 and wet sanding. After it was all wet sanded, I gave it another coat of primer. And it was time for first layers of paint. First I did the blade. This is a nice shiny metallic color, so you can see the flakes on this video here. Then it was time to mask off the areas that I didn't want to paint, so I masked off everything, including the pieces on the handle I didn't want covered with green, and here I'm just spraying the green handle. After that was all dry, I decided I was going to hand paint the rest. First pieces I'm doing is the black pieces on the handle. And I'm working my way around on the guard. And finally the detail work on the decorative piece on the blade. Once that was all done, I gave it a good coat of clear, let it dry, and here's the finished product. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button down there below. Or, if you want to follow me on any of these social media websites, you can get daily updates on the projects I'm working on. Thanks again for watching. I'm Tony, the Blacksmithing Gamer, where every week we make things from the games we play.